Troubleshooting this M1MB model. It's Nortec Nordine. Everything's cycling off and on. 4 flashes. Lockout due to failed ignition. Tested all power. Everything's good and good. Igniter works. So what I do is I found the power wire on the transformer there. I'm grabbing this end so it doesn't. I'll turn it on. I verify gas is on outside. This is the non-powered one. Clicks. No gas. Gas valve is bad. Cannot get anything to come out. Sequence. Call for heat. Your inducer fan. Safety switch. Proofs that it's running. That's what it is, a proof switch. Goes to the circuit board. Tells it that it's working. And then it sends juice to the igniter. The igniter lights up. Sends a signal back to here that the gas did not ignite. Otherwise, if gas came out, it would ignite. Gas valve is the problem.